Hello ladies, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. Today I'm going to do a style. I'm going to do braids on this side, and I'm going to do a twist out on the rest of my hair. So let's get started. The first thing that you will need is all of your ingredients. So I have my water bottle. I have coconut oil, which I've already detangled my hair, so I don't have to keep putting water and coconut oil on it. So I use water and coconut oil to detangle my hair, and that's what I use the spray bottle for. And then I'm also going to use flaxseed gel. This is what I use to do my twist outs. Okay, so I'm going to do the braids first. This is if you want this particular hairstyle. So I'm going to do the braids on this side. I usually do it on my right side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to part in the middle of this section. And I forgot to mention the most important thing, rubber bands. You'll need rubber bands if you want to do the braids on the side. I'm going to use the flaxseed gel. And just going to use a little bit just to show you all how I use it. Okay, so now I'm going to braid it. So far, so good. Very quick and easy. All right, so this is my first braid. And now I'm going to use the middle section. So this is considered 2 braid strands. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little style to make it look more unique instead of just having like all braids straight back. So now I'm going to braid from here to here. So far, so good. Wherever you want the perfect twist out to look is where you need to put the flaxseed gel. So I put the flaxseed gel on my entire hair, one section at a time. And this is all natural flaxseed gel, made with just water and flax seeds. And I boiled it up on the stove and let it cool off. And then I put it on my hair. But it only, the only thing about it is, it's fresh for up to 2 weeks. But if you put it in the freezer, it can last a little longer. I'm not sure, maybe it can last for months. Yeah, so now I'm just going to twist. I'm just going to take 2 strands and twist my hair tightly so that I can get the tight twist out that I'm looking for. Then you just twist the rest out. So what I'm doing is I'm twisting to my scalp. And so when I take the twist out, it will be like a perfect twist out over my entire hair. So there won't be any spots missing. It won't be like a perfect twist out down here and up here is like, whoa, what happened, you know? So, which I've done that before when I first started doing twist outs. But when you do a twist out, you want to make sure that if you want your entire hair to be wavy, you twist to your scalp and you make sure that you section it in each area of your hair. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to make sure that you get a good amount of hair in each section to twist. Okay. Now I'm going to use my wide tooth comb to detangle it again. Once again, the part does not have to be perfect because it's a twist out, but I just always prefer to part my hair just so that it would be more even. So put it in the ponytail. I'm gonna work on the other side first. So now I have this section. I'm going to part the middle of this section again. Okay, now I'm going to use the flaxseed gel again. And my hair is already full of water and coconut oil, so I don't have to put any more of that on there. And you want to make sure your hair is damp when you're putting the flaxseed gel on, even though like my hair, it gets dry really fast, but it's still full of water and coconut oil. So you try not to put flaxseed gel on super dry hair, like with no water at all, because I think that will cause flakes, and you don't want to have flakes on your hair. But it also depends on how you make the flaxseed gel, because if you use too much flaxseed and not enough water, that will cause flakes as well. Like when you're first making the flaxseed gel. So what I do is I use 1/4 cup of flaxseed, and I use like 2 to 2 1/4 cup of water, and I boil it on the stove and let it boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I use a strainer, and I simply pour it through the strainer into the cup, and that's it. And as you can see, you see how shiny my hair looks already? I've only used water, coconut oil, and flaxseed gel, and that's it. All right, so looking shiny, looking good, looking natural. Yes, this is how you want your hair to look, ladies. All right, ladies, so this is my final hairstyle for tonight, and I'm going to show you the final results in the morning. This is technically like early morning to me because I stayed up too late. Had to work on some projects and stuff. I need to go to bed. But anyway, so I have my satin wrap, and I'm gonna wrap it up. This is the most important thing, ladies. Please do not style your entire hair and not have some kind of satin wrap or a scarf, a silky scarf or something of that nature. I would not use a bandana because that will not keep your hair fresh looking and shiny looking. If you want your hair to look shiny and moisturized all throughout the night, I would use some kind of satin wrap or silky wrap to wrap around your hair. I will use something that will tightly hold on your hair, something like this. So I actually didn't like this at first. I'm like, what is this? This is not a regular do-rag. But anyway, I absolutely love it now because I don't have to necessarily put my entire hair like up in order to wrap it inside of the do-rag. I can just simply leave my hair out and it will still be tight around my edges. So all right, ladies, good night. I'll see you in the morning. Welcome back. I am about to show you my final hairstyle for today. So I am taking the satin wrap down, and as you can see, it still looks shiny and moisturized. And this is what the back looks like. And so now I'm going to simply take my twist down, and I'm going to start on this end. I'm going to start on this end first. So simply take it down, and I don't go in between my waves. I just simply take my twist down carefully. Thank you, Jesus. All right. So as you can see, it looks very kinky, curly, wavy. It's like in between wavy and curly. So that is my first twist. I'm gonna keep going. And once again, this is only water, coconut oil, and flaxseed gel. No chemicals, homemade flaxseed gel with just flax seeds and water. All right, we have one more twist and we are done. So I'm just taking it and just moving it down with my other hand. Take it, move it down. All right, ladies, so this is my final hairstyle. And I love it. The twist outs came perfect. Or the twist out came perfect. I got my little braids on the side, got my rubber bands at the end, and yeah, so you turn around, making sure there's no parts showing, but it's not gonna be a major issue. So this is what it looks like in the back, and yeah, so it looks like on the side. And turn around. This is what it looks like on the other side. Okay. And that's it, ladies. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel at My Natural Hair Delight, as I will continue to encourage you to rock your natural hair, the hair that God gave you. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye bye.